Begin tonight with new trouble for former state Supreme Court Justice Diane Hathaway.
She gave up her gavel after the 7 Action News investigators broke news of her suspicious property shuffle that helped her escape from $600,000 in mortgage debt. Well, that led to a federal bank fraud charge, and tonight she's facing even more discipline. 7 Action News investigator Ross Jones first broke this story. He's live at Grosse Pointe Park outside Hathaway's house. And Ross, things are just going from bad to worse for the justice.
They certainly are, Joanne. Good evening. Just when you thought things could not get worse for Diane Hathaway, things are getting worse for Diane Hathaway. Today, the state's attorney general asked that the group that polices attorneys in the state of Michigan launch a probe into Hathaway. It is a move that could take away her law license.
Justice Diane Hathaway formally retired Monday amidst a swirling scandal exposed by 7 Action News in May. It led to a criminal bank fraud charge, prompted the feds to try to seize Hathaway's Florida home, and threw away her 2 decades as a respected judge. Well, today, Attorney General Bill Schuette began the process that could revoke her law license.
There are consequences when people break the public trust. And the Attorney General believes the Attorney Grievance Commission should take a great interest in this case. And the law is the law, and regulations regarding law licenses are very straightforward. And there may be consequences.
Schuette's request for a probe comes weeks after the Judicial Tenure Commission, a separate group that polices judges, filed a complaint against Hathaway, accusing her of fraud. But as soon as she gave up her gavel this week, the JTC lost jurisdiction over Hathaway, leaving only the Attorney Grievance Commission to levy possible discipline against her license. On Tuesday, Hathaway is due to appear before federal judge Corbett O'Meara on a bank fraud charge, where a guilty plea is likely.
The Attorney General has been disappointed to see a cloud of, corruption hovering over the state Supreme Court, and he's optimistic that following next week and possible consideration by the Attorney Grievance Commission that this will be laid to rest, and he looks forward to a new Supreme Court and supports Governor Snyder's efforts to appoint a new justice of character.
Now, I did speak with Hathaway's lawyer, Steve Fishman, who said that this whole action by Attorney General Schuette is essentially just piling on. He said that anytime someone enters a plea, and his client is expected to do so on Tuesday, that the Attorney Grievance Commission receives a complaint right then and there. So his client is expected to make that plea. This really should not have happened, he said, what the Attorney General did today. Now, just minutes ago, we actually got a chance to see Hathaway's husband. He benefited from this $600,000 deal, where $600,000 was essentially washed away when the short sale was approved. We asked some questions to him. We'll turn that video around and show it to you tonight on 7 Action News at 6. Reporting live from Grosse Pointe Park, I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
Yeah, look forward to that. Well, by the way, Hathaway served on the state Supreme Court for 5 years. She is still a licensed real estate broker and has taught real estate law. 7 Action News broke that story. We'll continue to bring you, of course, the very latest developments.